Hi, I'm playing a prank on my best friend. She loves moths, and she's dreaming about them right now. Fruit snacks are moths.
Must.
Last time she slept walked, so yeah. I'm gonna show you what I have right here. I just got a big thing of moths right there. These fire moths, they're delicious. And here we go. And here we go. I told you she liked them. God. Here you go. What the heck? Ow! Hannah, stop. And that was, what do you want to call this? Prank World. Mega Fruit. Episode 1. Goodbye! See you on the next episode.